Good morning, students. Last class seen that the chapter of relation and function. So today, continue this chapter relation and function. So one more, the important example 11.1.11. Okay, the very important this sum. So 5 mark only. Let A equal set of all 1, 2, 3, 4 and B equal set of all 2, 5, 8, 11, 14. Be two sets. Let f from A to B be a function given by f of x is equal to 3x minus 1. So, given two sets A and B, so the function f from A to B, be a function given by, so f of x is equal to 3x minus 1. So one of the function represent this function. So 4 types of subdivision. So first one by arrow diagram. Then second one table form. Third one set of ordered pair. Then fourth one graphical form. Okay. So given two functions a and b, the function f from a to b, then f of x is equal to 3x minus 1. So the fourth function of arrow diagram and a table and set of ordered pair, and fourth one graphical form. Okay. So the important sum, very important. So given a equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. B equal to 2, 5, 8, 11, 14. So two given functions, the function f of x is equal to 3x minus 1. Okay. Then x, remove the value of, substitute the value of the set A. So first one, x substitute the value of 1. So f of x, 3 into 1 minus 1. So 3 into 1, 3 minus 1. So 3 minus 1 equal to 2. Okay. Then next one, x, remove the value of 2. So 3 into 2 minus 1. So 2 3s are 6 minus 1 is equal to 6 minus 1 equal to 5. Next f of x is 3. So 3 into 3 minus 1 is equal to 3 3s are 9 minus 1 is equal to 9 minus 1 equal to 8. Then f of 4. So 3 into 4 minus 1. So 3 4s are 12 minus 1 equal to 12 minus 1 equal to 11. Okay. So the subdivision 4, first one arrow diagram, then second one table, third one order pair, then fourth one graphical form. Okay. So first one order pair. So set A 1, 2, 3, 4. Then set B 2, 5, 8, 11, 14. Okay. So from the answer 1, 2. Okay. So 1, 2, 2. Second one, 2 substitute the value of 5. So 2, 2, 5. Then third one, 3 the substitute the value of 8. So 3, 2, 8. Then fourth one, 4 the substitute the value of 11. So 4 to 11. Okay. So f of x. So this is arrow diagram. Then second one table form. Then x. Then f of x. So x, the value of set A 1, 2, 3 and 4. So from the value given from the value 2, 5, 8, 11. So 1, 2, 2, 2 to 5, 3 to 8 and 4 to 11. Okay. And third one, set of order pair. So f of x equal to set of all 1, 2, 2, 5, 3, 8, 4, 11. So 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, then 2, 5, then 3, 8, then 4, 11. Okay. Then last one, graphical form. So x-axis and y-axis. So x-axis means x value, then y-axis means f of x order value. Okay. So first one, the set of order pair 1, 2. So x-axis 1, y-axis 2. So the find the value of 1 comma 2. Then second one 2 comma 5. So x value 2, then y value 5. So 2 comma 5. And 3 comma 8. So x equal to 8 3, y equal to 8. So 3 comma 8. And 4 comma 11. So x-axis 4, then y-axis level, then 4 comma level. So join the all the points in a straight line. So that is a graphical form. Okay. So very important, the 5 mark. Then the same model, exercise 1.4, question number 2. Let f from a to b, the function f from a to b be a function. Define f of x equal to x by 2 minus 1. So important, the function f of x is equal to x by 2 minus 1, where the set A and set B. So represented the set of ordered pair, second one table, third one arrow diagram, fourth one graph. So last sum the same model. Then second sum, third sum, represent the function f from this function through the arrow diagram and the table. So graph. Okay. So to the two sums are homework sum. Okay, thank you.